welcome back to my channel. Today we're starting off with some Cookeez Makery. Back to your hand. First up we're doing the pancake one.
Done.
All over, round in a circle. And then press the button and go flip. Oh, how cute was that? And then the fridge ice cream cake one. That down. Pull that to the side and then maybe pull this out.
It's full, so.
Yeah, I think it says just add it all in. There you go, then use your spoon, give it a mix.
Mixy, mixy, mix.
That's fine. Nice.
What should I do with it next?
And then you've got to leave it there because I've got to put the icing on top of it.
Swirly, swirly, love, swirly, swirly, swirly. Swirly, swirl, 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 swirl.
Beautiful. Go and put your snowflake on top.
Put it on one of the points.
Yep, get it. There you go, straight in the middle.
Oh god. Just put it there, like that.
Okay, happy with that?
Yep.
First,
To how? Like
does
that?
it say to number 10?
Yeah,
Yep.
it's that number 10.
And then shut it. And gotta wait. Alright, I'm gonna open it then. I'm gonna open it. It's crazy. There you go.
I know I was going to get the mint poppy.
See if it'll come out then.
I knew I was going to get the mint one.
Yeah.
It's ginormous. It's massive.
That's so cool. The clean up. And then some Lego. Here's Ollie moving some wardrobes. We're replacing the backs on them because we used to live in a really mouldy flat and it made the wardrobes go mouldy, but we've since moved then and we still seem to be having the same problem. So we're taking the backs off them, replacing them with new ones. Hopefully this fixes the problem.
Fixing wardrobes at the moment, apparently. What are you doing today?
Maybe slightly higher. Oh, all right then.
Get it on.
Right, you need to take this.
Hang on. I need to get it lined up.
So yeah, Ollie does all the work and I just assist him.
Yours. This is going to be harder to do on yours than mine because you've got frillier clothes.
And thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please give me a like and subscribe for more. Thank you so much. Bye.